Everybody, today I am going to show you how to create a dashboard that is very versatile in viewing and also in space management. As you know, in Tableau, when we put lots of worksheets into one dashboard, the view really will not be really great. The visualization will be affected and people will not get enough meaning out of the visualization. So sometimes the visualizations miss its target. So to do that, we can use a space management technique here, so that in just one dashboard we can have a full view of a worksheet or a visualization like this. As you can see, we have three sheets here and one dashboard. So in this dashboard, rather than putting all of the three into one view, we can also allow this worksheet alternatively turn by turn be shown or viewed on a single dashboard. So how we do it, that's just like here now it is this is a sales view, and we can change to another view in for another worksheet, or for like that we have different visualizations, and it will show different, not all at once, but in turn. This also help us for presentations. When we have presentation, we want to shift from one view to another. When we put all together, view will be affected because of the space, and the size will be cropped into one, and it won't be a good visualization. So how we do this today, I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing to do is, as we know, put our visualizations over here. So we create our visualization as any other. Then we create three of them, three visualizations. Here I don't see one after the other because of the filter. I already put it here. So if I take out filters, all of the filters, okay, I'll take out all of the filters for you so that you can see them, all of them. So we have three of them, okay. So after we want to show this into just on one dashboard, not turn by turn, as I said here. Now maybe doesn't work because the filter is removed from them. So we want to put rather than putting all of them just as one like this. So we want to put them on a full, each one of them on a full dashboard space. To do that, we need a parameter, and also we create a calculated field. Out of that, we create a filter. So this is how I did this one. This is the parameter I just created. I'm going to show you. So I created this parameter out of these three lists to represent this three dashboard. I could say any other name, doesn't matter. Actually, as you can see, it doesn't relate to this name because this B is capital and this is B small, S is small, S is capital over here for sell and discount, and here it is this only. So it's just to remind me to which one to pick later on when I do my calculated field. That to remind me that's the thing. In order to do that, we need to change that to string, because this is a string. These are strings. They are words. So change that to string and then put on the list, and then create that calculated parameter. So after creating that parameter, we use that parameter in our calculated field. Why? Unless we use that in calculated field, this doesn't work. This visual filter doesn't work, even though I show over there. It doesn't work until I put on calculated field. Actually, you can see it is not even working on until it is put on filter. So I created this calculated field after the parameter. The calculated field is just a case statement, simple case statement. What I said here is use this parameter, the parameter I created, and by referring to the values in the parameter, the values in this parameter, I'm going to show you. I said if it is bubble, this bubble, then I say use that bubble. That's why I just could get 1, 2, 3 or ABC, but just to remind me that I'm referring to, when I'm saying to this bubble, I'm referring to that worksheet. And when it is sales, I'm referring to that sales worksheet. And when it is discount, I say just refer to that this worksheet. That's simple. And then after that, I show parameter control, and now I use on each sheet as a filter. I bring that into filter pan, and then what I'm gonna say is I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna put on the list, the value list, and then pick that name over here. So spelling error doesn't work. If you have to be careful when you spell it. Bubble, because this is bubble visualization, and I click on add. Otherwise, it won't add, and then apply. Okay, and now the bubble is gone. The visualization gone. Why? Because the filter here is on different. Now, if I bring bubble here, the bubble comes back. The bubbles work. I go on this one the same way on here, and bring the filter on the filter pan, and I don't care about what is here. I just create another filter, and now this one, it is sales. Exact spelling is important, as the same as the filter over here, and I click on add, and then apply. Sales is gone. Why? Because this is bubble. If I change that to sales, the sales will show. While I'll do this, if you see back here, this is not working because I'm using the same filter. So this is where the trick is. So here only sales show, but others don't show. This didn't apply because that's what it shows, but for others it doesn't show. So here I come, put filter on filter pan, and click on custom value list, and then what is it? It is this, yeah, just DIS, add, and apply. This goes because it is sales that's on view. If I bring that to discount, this one shows. Now this is all we done correct, and we come to our dashboard. When we come to our dashboard, so we just bring them into dashboard. The only thing is where we have to collect, we have to bring that horizontal object over here, so we see each one of them. We can do it again. Okay, bring that one here. Okay, so after that, bring this one here. Sorry, take off that for now, and we will make that entire view. Okay, and take off the title. That's very important. Bring another view here, take off the title again, and bring off another one, and take off the title. Now, as you can see, As you can see, only discount is showing here. If you change that one, the bubble takes place, the discount is gone. And when I change that to sales, the sales takes place. There is an issue here. We have to use the entire view, and now we can easily alternate between three of these visualizations. So in doing this, we can use one single dashboard to alternate between multiple visualizations at the same time. And this is very useful in space management and also in presentation. It is all handy. This filter is the same filter we created from the parameter. I hope this will help. Bye bye for now.